After logging in, look for the for pension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. The ultimate guide to jackfruit seeds, nutrition, benefits, and safety. For centuries, the jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, has been celebrated across tropical regions for its massive size, sweet tropical flavor, and versatile, meaty texture. Often growing to weigh dozens of pounds, this colossal fruit yields a massive amount of edible flesh. However, hidden within those sticky, golden yellow pods is a secondary, often overlooked harvest: the seeds. Far too often, these large, pale seeds are discarded as agricultural waste or simply thrown into the compost bin. This is a massive missed opportunity for health-conscious consumers. Jackfruit seeds are incredibly dense with vital nutrients, acting as a hidden superfood right inside the fruit. When properly prepared and cooked, they transform from hard, inedible stones into a delicious, creamy, and nutty ingredient reminiscent of potatoes or chestnuts. More importantly, they unlock a cascade of major health benefits, ranging from enhanced gastrointestinal wellness to fortified cardiovascular health. This comprehensive guide will break down the precise nutritional components of jackfruit seeds, explore the biological mechanisms behind their impressive health benefits, and outline the critical safety protocols you must follow before adding them to your diet. Part 1. The nutritional powerhouse within. To understand why jackfruit seeds are so highly regarded by nutritionists and dietitians, we must first look at their macroscopic and microscopic nutritional breakdown. They are far more than just empty calories or simple carbohydrates. They are a complex matrix of dietary fiber, high-quality plant protein, essential vitamins, and powerful cellular protectors. Dietary fiber, the foundation of wellness. Jackfruit seeds are an exceptional source of dietary fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble variants. In the modern Western diet, fiber is drastically underconsumed, leading to a host of metabolic and digestive issues. The high concentration of fiber in these seeds ensures that the body's digestive tract operates smoothly, but it also plays a secondary role in keeping you satiated. By expanding in the stomach and slowing the emptying process, the fiber in these seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, which is an excellent tool for healthy weight management and curbing unnecessary snacking. Plant-based protein. While fruit is generally not known for its protein content, the seeds of the jackfruit are surprisingly effective. They provide a vital source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent dietary addition for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to reduce their reliance on animal proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life, required for the synthesis of muscle tissue, enzymes, hormones, and various cellular structures. Essential B vitamins, thiamine and riboflavin. Jackfruit seeds are exceptionally rich in the B vitamin complex, particularly B1, thiamine, and B2, riboflavin. Thiamine, vitamin B1. This vitamin is absolutely critical for energy metabolism. It helps the body convert the carbohydrates you eat into adenosine triphosphate, ADP, the primary energy currency of your cells. Furthermore, thiamine is vital for proper nerve function.
I'm going to show you something that you can use for post-antibiotics that can help repopulate your gut because it has amazing resistance to starch, and that is jackfruit seeds. Jackfruit seeds can be cooked, they can be dried and turned into a flour. They can also be put into curries. You can smash them. They have a really nice buttery texture, and you can make a curry out of it. You can put it in your dals. This is one of the best ways to rebalance your gut after antibiotics. There's no point in taking antibiotics if you don't know how to repopulate your gut after that. If you have pre-diabetes, then also this is excellent for your gut. If you have motility issues, also definitely something that I highly recommend. But if you have IBS, then please don't have it because it will irritate your lining because it's really rich, in starch, and sometimes it's very difficult for such people to digest it. Have you had it? What's your best and most favorite way to eat this?
A rich profile of natural antioxidants, including flavonoids, saponins, and phenolics. By neutralizing these free radicals, the antioxidants in the seeds help lower the risk of chronic inflammation and a variety of long-term health conditions. Part 2. Key health benefits elaborated. When cooked and consumed regularly, the unique combination of nutrients found in jackfruit seeds translates into powerful, measurable benefits for the human body. Here is a detailed look at how these seeds improve your health. 1. Improved and optimized digestion. Gastrointestinal health is the cornerstone of overall well-being. The digestive benefits of jackfruit seeds are largely driven by their impressive fiber content. Preventing constipation, The insoluble fiber found in the seeds does not dissolve in water. Instead, it adds essential bulk to your stool and acts like a broom, sweeping through the digestive tract. This accelerates the movement of food and waste through the intestines, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing the discomfort and toxicity associated with chronic constipation. Prebiotic action for gut bacteria. The human microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your gut, requires fuel to thrive. The soluble fiber in jackfruit seeds acts as a powerful prebiotic. Prebiotics are essentially food for the beneficial bacteria,